back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and I hope you all are staying at home. Please don't go outside until it's necessary. So yeah, today I'm gonna do a haul video. I have never done this in my channel, so I thought I should do this one. And also I have shopped a lot of things, like most of them are my essentials, but also I've shopped a little bit of makeup and all, and I have shopped from different websites, so I thought I should share this with you. So I have divided my haul video in two parts, one for skincare and one for makeup, or else my video will go so long and I don't want that. So yeah, if you want to know what I have shopped for skincare, so please keep on watching. Done with everything, like I was done with my toner, my rosehip oil was like finished, so, and you guys know that I love rosehip oil. I rave about it in my every video. So if you want to know why I do rave about it, so I will leave the link in this description box below, so you can just go and check it out just in case you want to know about it. And yeah, so I thought let's shop, and I end up shopping a lot, and everything is from different websites, so I have just put it in a bigger box. First, I'm going to show you what I have purchased from purplle.com. I will leave the link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And it has to be rosehip oil from Good Vibes, and this one is for 30 ml, and you have to pay $3.99. But I got this one in offer, and I think you will also get offer because purplle.com has always some sort of sale running on their website. So yeah, you can just go and check it out. And also I just love this oil because I use this oil in multiple ways. You can just go and check out my video on this. I will leave the link again in the description box below. Is again from Good Vibes. It's their almond skin brightening facial oil. I have ordered this one in 10 ml wala size because I want to give this a try. I read its review and like reviews were very good, so I thought I should give this a try, and I will try it for like few weeks or for 1 month, and then I will let you know my final verdict. I haven't used this one, so yeah, I will let you know. To be my toner from Good Vibes Glow Toner. Again, I use this product in multiple ways, like for my toning, like obviously for as a toner. I use this as a makeup spray. I use this as a face mist. So yeah, it has to be with me. So that toner gives me a nice glow. So I would definitely suggest you guys give this a try, and I think you would love it. Few new products from new brands. Just try them out for few weeks and just let you know guys if they work or not, because they are super affordable. So first thing is this Multani Mitti powder. I really need Multani Mitti, and you can use this in your hair mask, in your face mask obviously. So yeah, and you get this one for only 55 rupees, and the packaging is so cool with all paper material, and I just love it. From this brand is this sandalwood face scrub. Just look at this. This is so small, and this one is 30 grams, and you get it for 75 rupees. But I think I got this one in offer for something about 59 or 60 something, which is so cheap. So yeah, that made me buy this one. Will help detoxify the skin, control sebum production, lighten blemishes. So I have just used this one once, and मुझे कुछ इतना effect नहीं दिखा, but yeah, I will just try it out more and just let me got this face mask from the same brand. These are again so cute. So one is the charcoal detoxifying mask, and one is papaya revitalizing face mask. So you get it for rupees 99 each, but again I got this one for offer, and I think I got this one for rupees 79 or something. So yeah, I was so happy. They're so cheap to their price and all. The packaging is also good. Like, I would not say it's very good, but yeah, it's good for like 79 or 80 rupees. So yeah, I'm just gonna give this a try, and I will let you. Next thing is this Stay Quirky lip balm. This is the lip last lip balm from Stay Quirky in the flavor coconut, I guess. Pretty good cheap lip balm. It works nicely. I mean, it really softens your lip, and also it provides nourishment to your lips, but it will not gonna last for a long time. You have to reapply it in 3 to 4 hours. But yeah, it's a pretty good cheap lip balm. You can give this a try if you are searching for a good lip. Shopping all this stuff, I also got few free products from Good Vibes. One was the sheet mask in the mint flavor, I guess mint and aloe vera. but I have used it and I have just thrown the wrapper. And one is this small Good Vibes Green Tea Revitalizing Face Cream. I have just not tried this one, but it's very cute and it's very travel friendly. But next I have shopped from Foxy Famous application. So if you haven't heard about this application, don't worry, I will leave the link in the description box below. All genuine, so like this website is all genuine, you don't have to worry about it. You will get again several payment options like cash on delivery, online payment, everything, and everything is safe. Also they deliver very fast, so yeah, you can order from this website also. Every product is genuine. So I ordered this Mamaearth Upton face wash with turmeric and saffron. This one is for 100 ml. You have to pay rupees 250, which is a good quantity and a good price. And Mamaearth Upton face mask, like these both are from same variant. This one is again for rupees 500 for 100 ml, and you will get a lot of amount. You can see, I mean, you get a really lot of amount, so I think it's worth every penny. And also it comes with this spatula so that you can apply your mask evenly on your face. I think it's it's worth every penny. You can give this a try. And also this face mask works very nicely. I mean, it will give you the result in just after using it once or twice. You will get to see the result, like I have seen it. Although I don't have any tan going on my face, but still I have seen some sort of brightness on my face, like it has evened out my tone. So yeah, you can definitely give this a try. Also, I'm gonna make a full video on this and I'm gonna upload this video in next week, I guess. So yeah, got this one from Amazon. So yeah, I mean, I'm just so obsessed with this one. This product has really changed my skin texture. My texture has really improved and it really gives you a glow. You know, just after the application you will see the glow. And also I have made a full in detailed video about this. Let's come to Nykaa. In skincare or bath care essentials, what I got is this razor pack from Venus. This one is for pack of 5. You have to pay rupees something 275 or something, I don't remember. I will leave the price here or in the link in the description box. And yeah, it's a good deal. You get 5 razors and they're pretty good quality. You can use them twice, so yeah, you can just have it. I am more comfortable in shaving, so yeah, you can just go ahead, and if you want to give this a try, you can just give this a try. So yeah, the next one is this body wash from Palmolive. This is their thermal spa extracts. So I was also done with my body wash, so I have to order another one, and you have to pay rupees 180 and you get 250 ml. Like, this is so much, like this is such a good quantity. It just reminds me of a coconut toffee which I used to have in my childhood and I used to love. It smells so much, and you're gonna smell like a coconut toffee when you will use this one. It's very mild and it has a nice scrubbing beads also, which are very mild. So this body wash will not gonna leave your body like rough, and it will not gonna strip off your natural moisture. It will just leave your skin all smooth and all nourished. So if you're searching for a good body wash, so definitely give this a try. It's so cheap and you get a lot off. I received few free products again. So I received this Nykaa sheet mask. This is their Skin Secrets sheet mask in the variant strawberry plus argan oil for blemish free glowing skin. I'm gonna try this out, guys, and I'm just gonna leave my review. And I was so happy that I received 2 sheet masks. I have also ordered this one from Nivea. This is a deodorant whitening smooth skin and it gives you 48-hour protection. It has 0% alcohol, muletti extracts, and it will also even tone your underarms just in case if you have dark underarms, because I know most of the girls are suffering from this problem. They have dark underarms. Might be different reasons for dark underarms, and I was also very scared to use this one. Like, this one is my first ever roll on, because I have never ever used any sort of roll on in my entire life, and also I don't have any dark underarms problem. So yeah, I really don't want to take any risk for that. But this one is very mild, it has no alcohol, and it really make you smell all day fresh, and I mean, you're just gonna smell so nice all day long. Also, even after like the next morning when you will wake up, you will still smell so good. So yeah, I'm just gonna recommend you guys try this one if you are not using this one, just in case, but give this a try. It's all safe, it's very mild. So yeah, guys, try